The sound of history. Understanding Clash of Swords. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating English phrase, clash of swords. This expression is not just about a physical action, but it also carries a rich historical and cultural significance. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together to understand its meaning and usage. The phrase, clash of swords, literally refers to the sound made when two swords strike each other during a fight. This imagery often evokes scenes of medieval battles or duels. The key element here is the auditory experience, the metallic sound that resonates as swords meet. It's a sound that has been associated with combat and valor for centuries. Historically, the clash of swords has been a symbol of warfare, honor, and bravery. In literature and movies, this phrase is often used to set the scene of an epic battle or a heroic duel. It takes us back to the times when sword fighting was a common practice. This phrase also evokes emotions like tension, excitement, and anticipation. In a metaphorical sense, clash of swords can describe any kind of conflict or confrontation. It doesn't have to be a physical battle. It could be a verbal argument, a debate, or a clash of ideologies. For example, when two politicians are in a heated debate, we could describe that as a clash of swords, of words or ideas. Today, clash of swords is often used in a figurative sense to add a dramatic flair to descriptions of conflicts. It's a way to bring historical grandeur to modern situations. However, it's also used in historical and fantasy contexts to give a realistic feel of sword fighting scenes. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, clash of swords. It's a phrase that combines literal imagery, historical depth, and metaphorical richness. Whether in a literal battle scene or a metaphorical debate, this phrase enriches the English language with its historical and cultural significance. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English expressions.